Dr. Mitra, if you look at the current West Bengal model, and if you look at the kind of populistic schemes that have been set up, you have it right from birth to adolescence, to marriage, to education, to work, and right up to death. Okay? There's this whole gamut of schemes that is there, and it seems that the Bengal model is being dominated by populism and populistic schemes versus economic growth. That in some senses, economic growth is suffering because of these kind of doles that are going on. What is your point of view on that?
I think, first of all, this growth versus populism is a misnomer. It's a myth. In the 19th century, this word populism was discovered, where it was meant to be people versus the elite. Now, in that case, I'm with the people, so is Mamata Banerjee. In fact, Ernesto Loclau, one of the political scientists very well known, says, populism is emancipatory social force through which marginalized groups challenge the dominant power structure. That's precisely what Mamata Banerjee has done. So, and two, I will show you in a moment that so-called populism in this context of empowerment in fact leads to growth.
Okay.
So they are not only not you must know that you would probably know in 2019, if you take nominal growth rate of states and India, West Bengal grew at over 12%, which was number one in the country.
Though
now,
somewhat
why
disputed.
is it that, yes, why is it that at every parameter you take, you'll find West Bengal is well ahead of India? Why is that so? Because there is a connection between the schemes that we take and GDP growth. For example, capital expenditure, West Bengal has grown up by 11 times since we came to office. That produces the Keynesian multiplier. All that is not talked about. I come to populism and I would like to defend it. I would like to go straight to it. For example, the Narodniks of Russia were called populists. The People's Party in USA were called populists. Let me go straight to a story that will explain what you're saying right away. A young girl called Moshumi Mirda, from where? From Sundarban, the Royal Bengal tiger. Her father died when she was very. Her uncle brought her up, Mama, went to school in the local school nearby. Then she came to a stop, because she couldn't do anymore. School uplinked digitally her details when she became 18 years of age. And you know what happened? 25,000 rupees came into her bank digitally, for which the highest award in the world has been received by Mamata Banerjee's West Bengal, called the Kanya Shri. Now, you know what happened to that girl? She went to college, got an honors degree because of the 25,000 and 1,000 rupees additional, populist, and he graduated from Sundarban Hazi Desharath College in Pathankali. So that girl has created human capital, which will then translate into growth into the future.